Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Have you ever looked at a pile of rusty metal and seen pure potential? Today, we are turning everyday scrap into breathtaking garden masterpieces. Get ready to transform forgotten nuts, bolts, and old pipes into stunning DIY sculptures that will bring endless charm to your outdoor space. Let's get creative. Think about all those tiny, forgotten hex nuts sitting in your junk drawer. Now, imagine them gathered together, welded tight to form the heart of a golden sunflower that never fades. It is simply incredible how industrial scrap can bloom so beautifully. When the sun hits those metallic petals, your garden feels alive with a rugged, handmade elegance. It is not just art. It is a permanent piece of sunshine that stands tall through every single season. There is a certain kind of magic in the way light dances through a mosaic of simple metal washers. By welding these little circles together, we have captured the delicate essence of a butterfly's wing, but with a sturdy, industrial soul. It sits so lightly on its perch, almost as if it is waiting for a breeze to take flight. This piece proves that even the most basic hardware can be transformed into something truly ethereal and breathtaking. Watch as this heavy, rusted anchor chain slithers effortlessly through your lavender patch. There is a real weight and history to this metal, yet it flows with such a surprising, serpentine grace. It is a bold statement piece that brings a bit of mystery and a lot of character to the soil. You can almost feel the movement in those welded links, making it a perfect, low-profile guardian for your favorite blooming flower beds. Who knew that a handful of old stainless steel spoons could take to the skies? By flattening the bowls and tapering a vintage bolt, we have created a dragonfly that shimmers with a brilliant, polished reflection. It perches high above the daisies, catching every stray beam of light. It is a playful nod to the hidden potential in our kitchen drawers, turning everyday utensils into a soaring highlight of your backyard sanctuary. Perched silently in the greenery, this mesh owl keeps a watchful eye over the garden with its large, gear-driven eyes. The layered screens create a wonderful texture that mimics real feathers, giving the sculpture a sense of depth and wisdom. It is a fascinating mix of hard metal and soft design. As the daylight shifts, the shadows play through the mesh, making our feathered friend look almost real amongst the swaying branches and garden leaves. Bring a splash of unexpected color to your garden fence with a bouquet that never needs watering. These old wrenches, arranged in a perfect radial bloom, celebrate the beauty of the tools that built our homes. Painted in soft, weathered pastels, they turn a cold metal surface into a warm, inviting focal point. It is a clever, quirky way to upcycle your toolbox into a vibrant garden gallery that looks stunning against a classic white backdrop. There is so much history and luck packed into a single horseshoe, and when you weld them into a perfect sphere, the result is pure geometry. This hollow globe sits gracefully on the lawn, acting as a window to the flowers behind it. The way the sunlight carves out patterns on the grass through the gaps is just mesmerizing. It is a heavy, grounded piece that feels both ancient and modern at the very same time. Nestled on a stone table, this little dragon is a powerhouse of detail. From the spark plug spine to the intricate gearwork in its head, every tiny scrap tells a story of mechanical precision. Its iridescent, heat-treated wings catch the sun in a rainbow of metallic hues, bringing a touch of fantasy to your morning coffee spot. It is proof that even the smallest pieces of junk can be reborn as a legendary garden companion. These copper coils unfurl from the earth with a rhythmic energy that mimics the birth of a new fern. The way the metal has aged into a rich, turquoise patina adds such a professional, artistic touch to the garden beds. They stand as tall, shimmering accents that bridge the gap between the organic world and the industrial one. It is a simple concept, yet it carries a sophisticated, high-end vibe that feels incredibly peaceful. Listen to the deep, resonant soul of the garden. These reclaimed pipes don't just look industrial, they sing with a heavy, melodic tone that fills the air with calm. Suspended by natural jute twine from a heavy transmission gear, they represent a perfect harmony of weight and sound. It is a sensory experience that grounds your outdoor space, turning a gentle afternoon breeze into a beautiful, metallic symphony that echoes through the trees. Sometimes, the simplest shapes make the strongest impact. These rusted bird silhouettes, perched along the fence line, add a rustic, minimalist charm that feels so right in a cottage garden. They capture a moment of stillness in the middle of a busy day. The rough, oxidized texture of the scrap metal provides a beautiful contrast to the clean white wood, giving your garden a timeless, lived-in feel that is both stylish and serene. This little fellow adds a sense of whimsy and movement to any stone ledge or garden path. Constructed from polished bearing balls, its segmented body curves with a lifelike, playful energy. The bright, translucent colors make it pop against the natural moss and stone, inviting a smile from anyone who walks by. It is a small addition, but it brings a wonderful sense of personality and handcrafted joy to the quiet corners of your yard. Standing tall and proud, this old boat propeller has found a new life as a majestic, metallic leaf. The heavy brass blades, worn by time and water, now soak up the golden hour sun right in the heart of your flower bed. It is a sturdy, structural masterpiece that commands attention without saying a word. This sculpture is a beautiful reminder that everything has a second act, especially when it is placed in a garden. From a blooming Hex Nut Sunflower to a majestic pipe wind chime, we have seen how simple scrap metal can completely elevate your outdoor sanctuary. The beauty of these projects is that no two pieces are ever exactly alike. If you felt inspired today, please leave a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe to KiraStyle Garden for more creative landscaping projects. Happy crafting!